Hello and welcome to QuickTipsTo. Today I'm going to show you how to allow or deny apps from accessing your camera on Android 15 phones. First, I will show you the apps that currently have access to your camera. I will then show you how to allow or block specific apps from accessing your camera. So to do this, on your Android phone, go to Settings, then tap on Security and Privacy. Now tap on Privacy Controls. Now select Permission Manager. Then tap on Camera. Under Allowed all the time, you will see the apps that are allowed to access your camera all the time. Under Allowed only while in use, you will see the apps that are allowed to access your camera when they're running. And under Not Allowed, you will see the apps that are not allowed access to your camera. I will now select one of the apps and change its settings. For example, Amazon Shopping app. I now have the option to allow it when using the app, Ask Every Time, or Don't Allow. I will choose Don't Allow. All done. You can follow the same steps for other apps. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below the video. With QuickTipsTo, knowledge has no limits.